Now, there are two versions of the expanded form of numbers. Here, you can see the first version, wherein we show that we are adding each of the digits' values. Take note that the total amount of the sum of the values are equal to the number. So this number, 1,672,894, which is written in standard form. So in order for us to write it in the first version of the expanded form, we take note of each of the digit of our number, and we take note of the place value of each of the digit, and then we multiply the digit by the place value, and then we get the value. So what we do is to have the first version of the expanded form, we add each of these value to the other values. So we have 4 plus 90 plus 800 plus 2000 plus 70,000 plus 600,000 plus 1 million. And if we sum this all up, if we add all these values up, we get the number 1,672,894. The second version of writing the expanded form of a number is to show not only the addition steps between each of the values of each digit, but also the multiplication step of each of the digit and the place value combination. So again, we have the number 1,672,894 written in standard form. So what we do is we take note of all of the digits of our number and also the corresponding place value of each digit. And we write the expanded form, which is the digit multiplied by the place value. So we do that for all of our digits. And what we do is we write the expanded form of that digit plus the expanded form of the next digit plus the expanded form of the next digit and so on. And of course, if we add up all these digit and place value combination, we're going to get the number itself, which is 1,672,894.